Did you know that renowned investor Cathie Wood said this is your final opportunity to make $1 million with Tesla stock? Many believe that investing in Tesla is worthwhile. Investing in the top electric vehicle firm is actually thought by investors to be a way to retire early. To learn more about this, be sure to keep watching and tuning in. People will settle for anything that will allow them to earn more in the current economic climate, and for some, investing in Tesla is the best method to do so. Given their confidence in Tesla's future growth, the majority of major investors even advise investing in the company's stock. You'll discover today why Cathie Wood claimed that this is your final opportunity to make $1 million using Tesla shares. One time, Cathie Wood gave an explanation of how stock market investors might make significant profits by timing their purchases of assets. The founder, CEO, and CIO of ARK Invest, an investment firm with $60 billion in assets that makes bets on cutting-edge technologies like genomics and self-driving cars, is Cathie Wood, an American investor and celebrity stock picker. Because she not only has the evidence to support her remarkably astute statements about investments, but she is also extremely compelling in her arguments, Cathie Wood is frequently referred to as the most underestimated investor in the game. Additionally, Wood is well known for her monthly updates on a variety of topics, including innovations, monetary and economic policies, what's to be expected in her area of expertise, and commentary on Fed decisions. The United States Central Bank, the Federal Reserve System, or Fed for short, is in charge of overseeing the country's financial and monetary systems. As previously noted, Wood is well known in the financial business for her outlandish moonshot price projections. She has devised a plan to turn $3,650 into $100,000 and eventually $36,000 into $1 million. The sole prerequisite for purchasing Bitcoin is having the funds to do so for a minimum of 4 years and a maximum of 8 years. $36,000 will be worth $1 million, and $3,650 will be worth $100,325 today. Wood is certain that the current state of Bitcoin is consolidating and offering the best chance to buy at a discount before a huge upswing in value begins. By using the dollar cost averaging method and purchasing in increments of $1 to $200, investors can purchase dips. Many ordinary Americans will become millionaires very quickly if her prognosis of a 1 million Bitcoin price, similar to her $5,000 prediction for the Tesla stock price, comes true. While some investors, like Cathie Wood, have begun to lose hope in Tesla, others, like herself, are still optimistic and even urge others to buy Tesla stock. In a video, Wood outlines the opportunity for investors who keep Tesla shares until 2025 to become millionaires. She stated that there are a few important factors, one of which is the market share of EVs, which is in the low 20s globally, as she asserted, and she believes Tesla would be able to reach that when asked why she had set a $3,000 price target for Tesla by 2025. She continued by saying that the US now has about 60% of the stake. ARK's 2021 open-source Tesla model, which projected an expected value of $3,000 per share in 2025, has since been updated. This is because of significant changes, such as the addition of capital efficiency estimates and the advancement of the forecast by 1 year to 2026. With a $4,600 price objective in the best-case scenario for Tesla stock in 2026 and a potential price target of more than $20,000 by 2030, ARK Invest upgraded its valuation model for Tesla. The most recent version of ARK's open-source Tesla model predicts a value per share of $4,600 in 2026. At roughly $5,900 per share, the bull and bear cases are calibrated to the 75th and 25th percentile Monte Carlo outcomes, respectively. In fact, Cathie Wood estimated a few months ago that Tesla will be valued close to $5 trillion by 2026. Based on their examination of consumers' perceived value of time, ARK Invest has updated their model, which includes new estimates for the overall market for autonomous ride-hailing at each price point, and the likelihood that Tesla will solve for completely autonomous driving. More demand than initially predicted is anticipated for autonomous ride-hailing at higher pricing points. Do you believe Tesla stock can make a person a millionaire? Wood says, please share your ideas in the comment box below. Cathie Wood adds, what we're really interested in are the corner cases. The safest Tesla drivers are currently enrolled in the company's full self-driving pilot program, she claimed. These drivers needed to score between 98 and 100. When it works, they say, it's a dream, and when it doesn't, it's terrible. When one of these skilled and cautious drivers guides Tesla and presses a button, the information or video is sent back to Tesla so that they may correct any errors. Every time there is a miss, which is typically stopping due to uncertainty, drivers press the designated button. Wood thinks that in a year, more individuals will have experienced driving an autonomous vehicle as Tesla continues to refine technology. According to Wood, the overall cost of owning an electric vehicle is less expensive than that of a gas-powered vehicle. We also believe that the sticker price of both electric and gas-powered vehicles will eventually fall below that of gas-powered vehicles, possibly even sooner with subsidies. This will happen within a year or two. Our latest thinking is that by the year 2026, the average electric vehicle will cost about $15,000, Wood said. According to Wood, the reason they anticipate a significant amount of commoditization is because they think driverless vehicles would become popular by then. By then, fleets and design will be less significant because the primary goal is to develop these cars' ability to transport people from point A to point B, she continued, adding that autonomous vehicles will be operated in autonomous taxi networks. Cathie Wood went on a buying binge of Tesla stocks during the June market downturn as the prices kept falling. RK Invest sold 8,100 shares of Tesla at an estimated $5.76 million, giving up nearly 0.5% of its holdings in the business as its shares rose. As a result, Wood continues to closely monitor Tesla as one of his innovation-focused ETFs. Why does Cathie Wood think that Tesla stock can make someone a millionaire? She claims that if you look at Tesla's revenue growth over the last 5 years, it has grown at a compound annual rate of about 48%. She underlined that it happened even during a period when Tesla was dealing with numerous difficulties. She added that, speaking for herself and ARK Invest, their projection for the following 10 years is between 50 and 60%. For its part, Tesla is clearly making a lot of effort to keep up its position as the leader in EV production. For starters, during the pandemic, Tesla changed vendors by changing its software in order for the factories and manufacturers to overcome chip shortages and supply chain bottlenecks. The plants never stop moving. In actuality, Berlin and Austin now have 2 additional Tesla manufacturing sites available. Together with the Shanghai and Fremont factories, these new initiatives are meant to boost production. These advances may result in higher operating margins and greater manufacturing scale. They can now attain larger gross margins thanks to the establishment of Austin and Berlin. Furthermore, Tesla's portfolio of creative ideas demonstrates how hard the company is striving to succeed. Among other projects, the much-anticipated Tesla Cybertruck and the humanoid robot Optimus demonstrate why Tesla should be at the top of the pack. Adam Jonas of Morgan Stanley compared the state of EVs today to a race, which Tesla has so far been dominating. He likened the electric vehicle EV sector to a marathon, saying that Tesla is leading at mile 21, while other companies are still in the second mile and, in a metaphorical sense, are still tying their shoes. In order to bolster his argument, he provided data on recent car deliveries, which show that Tesla is still in a solid position and is getting stronger as the marathon goes on. Those who are acquainted with the sector are aware that daily fluctuations in stock prices are caused by market factors. Share prices change because of supply and demand. If more individuals desire to purchase a stock than sell it, the price climbs. That said, Tesla stocks vary too. Wall Street feels that the stock is worth roughly 100 times Tesla's per-share earnings, which are about 10 times more valuable than that of the stocks of traditional automakers. Again, financial markets are tricky to anticipate and may increase or fall down quite fast. That said, it may well be the correct time to buy Tesla stock before it leaps even more in the coming few months. Check out our other videos on our channel for more information about Tesla stocks.